In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image with Microsoft Copilot. Copilot can turn a simple description into a set of original images, and the process is quick and beginner-friendly. You'll describe what you want in words, press enter, and Copilot will generate multiple options for you to choose from. Start by opening your browser and going to copilot.microsoft.com. You can use it without signing in, but signing in with your Microsoft account is recommended so your session is more consistent and your results are easier to revisit. Once you're on the site, look for the chat box at the bottom of the page. That's where you'll type your prompt, the description of the image you want Copilot to create. For example, you could write, create an image of a futuristic city at sunset, or draw a cute cartoon cat wearing sunglasses. After you type your prompt, press enter. Copilot will think for a moment and then display several images that match your request, giving you different variations to explore. To get better results, it helps to structure your prompt clearly. A simple way to do this is to combine four elements: the subject, the style, the details, and the environment. The subject is the main thing you want to see. The style sets the overall look, such as realistic, cartoon, anime, watercolor, or cyberpunk. Details add specifics like colors, mood, or lighting. The environment places your subject in a setting like a rainy street, a classroom, or a beach at sunrise. Here are a few examples you can try as is or adapt to your idea. A cyberpunk city at night, neon lights, rain, ultra-realistic. A simple flat cartoon of a happy teacher in a classroom. A mountain landscape at sunrise, photorealistic 4K detail. Notice how each prompt clearly states a subject, suggests a style, adds specific details, and defines an environment. A few tips will quickly improve your images. Be specific about color, mood, and lighting. Words like warm, soft, golden hour, or dramatic can make a big difference. Add a style to guide the look, such as watercolor, oil painting, minimalist, or cinematic. If you want a particular composition, mention a camera approach like close-up, wide shot, or cinematic. And if the first set of images isn't quite right, don't start over. Simply ask for changes. You can say, make it more realistic, change background to beach, or make the lighting moodier, and Copilot will refine the results. That's all you need to start creating images with Microsoft Copilot. Type a clear prompt, press enter, then tweak until it matches your vision.